Hi, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. So guys, I'm going to show you how to draw your sorrel quick, fast and out of the kitchen. So I already shred my ginger and guys, when you're doing a sorrel, all you have to do is just wash your ginger. You don't have to peel it, just wash it very. You can use all the scratch bright and just wash your ginger and take off all the dirt off of your ginger, and then just go ahead and shred your ginger, and it's more easy and flavor to the sorrel. So I'm using half pound of ginger, some cinnamon leaf and stick, and some orange peel skin. So I'm using 2 pounds of sorrel. You know, this sorrel is more stronger. It's a couple years ago now I started getting this breed of sorrel. You still have some sorrel kind of like a more finer sorrel, but these one are very big. You can see it. And it's so flavorful. It's more strong on the next sorrel. And remember to wash your sorrel very good, because it really carry a lot of dirt. Even in here, put your finger here and just wash it out because it's very dirty. So I'm going to put on the water. When you're making a sorrel, you have to know the amount of water to use to make you have a nice flavor tasting sorrel. Because you know you can make the sorrel and it tastes like long water. We call in Jamaica your long water because it don't taste good. And you want your sorrel to taste good. So you have to know the amount of water to use. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get in the orange skin and my cinnamon leaf and stick. And get my ginger. I'm going to allow it to boil before we get in the sorrel. Okay? So now the ginger and the cinnamon leaf and the orange peel finish cook. Okay, so it's time now to put in the sorrel. So pretty, can it? The sorrel is so full of flavor. Red. So I'm going to allow it to cook for about 4 more minutes and then I remove the flame. Okay, so my 4 minutes is finished. So this is the way it looks when you finish. Draw the sorrel and strain it off. So guys, we're going to sweeten the sorrel. I take a little time for the sugar to mix out. I'm going to taste it if you want more sugar. I want a small amount more sugar. And guys, you can sweeten to how you want it. If you don't want to sweeten and you want to have it natural without sugar, you can do it. Go ahead and do it. So guys, I'm going to throw out some to put in red label wine in it. For some people drink red label wine, while some don't drink red label wine in sorrel. So guys, we have one red label wine and I'm going to be doing red label wine. So this one having red label wine, while this one not having a red label wine. So guys, I'm going to pour out and you drink with me and enjoy it. So we come to the end of the video. Bye, and thank you to watch my video.